Bah! Bah!
In the time of King Nebuchadnezzar's reign, during the time of Babylonian exile, there were 3 young men from Judah assigned to King Nebuchadnezzar's court named Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Their Hebrew names were Hananiah, Mishael, and Azariah.
Mazel tov!
For fun, we liked calling them Shishak, Meshach, and a bungalow. King Nebuchadnezzar had a huge golden statue made. It was 60 cubits tall. Then, whenever a bunch of musicians played, everybody had to worship the gold statue. Shishak, Meshach, and a bungalow refused. The Chaldeans narked.
Shishak, Meshach, and a bungalow aren't worshiping the statue.
Nebuchadnezzar was really mad. He ordered a fiery furnace to be heated up 7 times hotter than usual.
Make this thing 7 times hotter.
He ordered for Shishak, Meshach, and a bungalow to be thrown in.
Throw them in there.
Well, this furnace is hotter than Cheryl's Shishak.
They don't die.
Yeah!
It's so hot, their guards do.
Cheryl, I'm gonna need some new guards.
But Shishak, Meshach, and the bungalow, their clothes aren't even thin. They're joined by a 4th unnamed person.
Is Shishak on fire?
No, the God of Israel is the one true God.
So Shishak isn't on fire.
No, he's protected.
Our perfect neighbor, God's always there.